Benjamin Bibi Netanyahu, born October 21, 1949, is an Israeli politician, diplomat, and the longest-serving Prime Minister of Israel. As of March 2026, he has held the office in 6 non-consecutive terms: 1996, 1999, 2009, 2021, and since December 2022. A leader of the right-wing Likud party since 1993, with brief interruptions, he is known as a security hawk, skilled coalition builder, economic reformer, and polarizing figure, admired by supporters as King Bibi for his resilience, and criticized by opponents for judicial reforms, settlement expansion, corruption allegations, and his handling of conflicts with Hamas and Iran. Early life and education. Netanyahu was born in Tel Aviv, Israel, then Mandatory Palestine, the second of 3 sons to historian Benzion Netanyahu. He spent parts of his childhood in Jerusalem, Rehavia neighborhood, and Cheltenham Township, Pennsylvania, 1956, 1958, and 1963-1967, where his father taught at Dropsy College. Early career, business and anti-terrorism. After discharge, Netanyahu worked as a management consultant at Boston Consulting Group, 1977-1978, where he befriended Mitt Romney. In 1978, he returned to Israel and founded the Yonatan Netanyahu Anti-Terror Institute, 1978-1980, co-founded a tourism company, and worked in consulting and venture capital. He appeared on U.S. television as Ben Naitai, arguing that Arab rejection of Israel's existence fueled the conflict. Political career. Netanyahu entered politics in the 1980s as a Likud member. He served as Israel's Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs, 1988-1991, and Ambassador to the United Nations, 1984-1988, where he became a prominent media spokesman during the 1991 Gulf War, frequently on CNN. He attended the 1991 Madrid Conference. Elected to the Knesset in 1988, he rose quickly. In 1993, he defeated rivals to become Likud chairman and leader of the opposition. First term as Prime Minister, 1996-1999. At age 46, he won Israel's first direct prime ministerial election, defeating Shimon Peres. Key events included the Hebron Protocol, 1997, Wye River Memorandum, 1998, opening the Western Wall Tunnel, sparking riots, and a botched Mossad attempt on Hamas leader Khalid Mashal. He lost re-election in 1999 to Ehud Barak. Ministerial roles and opposition, 1999-2009. Served as Foreign Minister, 2002-2003, and Finance Minister, 2003-2005. He resigned in 2005 over the Gaza disengagement. Reclaimed Likud leadership in 2005-2007. But expanding West Bank settlements, clashed with the Obama administration, and supported the Abraham Accords, 2020 normalization deals. Handled operations like Protective Edge, 2014. Became Israel's longest-serving PM. Resigned in 2021 after failing to form a government. Opposition, 2021-2022. Briefly out of power under Naftali Bennett-Yair Lapid coalition. 6th term, 2022 to present. Won 2022 elections with a far-right coalition, including Itamar Ben-Gvir and Bezalel Smotrich. Pushed judicial reform, 2023, sparking massive protests. On October 7, 2023, Hamas attacked Israel, 1,200 killed, hostages taken. Netanyahu declared war, vowing total victory, and turning parts of Gaza to ruins. The campaign drew international criticism. ICC arrest warrant, November 2024, for alleged war crimes/crimes against humanity in Gaza. June 25, and renewed February-March 26 with U.S. support under President Trump, targeting nuclear missile sites. Israeli U.S. forces killed Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei and senior regime figures. Strikes on Tehran intensified as of March 2, 2026. Netanyahu urged Iranians to overthrow the regime, calling it a once-in-a-generation chance. He described the campaign as fulfilling a 40-year goal to neutralize the Iranian threat. Key policies and foreign policy. Netanyahu championed free market reforms, reducing unemployment and attracting investment. He opposed full Palestinian statehood without demilitarization and recognition of Israel as Jewish, prioritizing security and settlements, legalizing outposts, accelerating construction. He strengthened ties with the U.S., especially under Trump, India, and Gulf states via Abraham Accords. On Iran, he repeatedly warned of its nuclear program, 2015 Congress speech, 2018 UN presentation of evidence. Legal issues and controversies. In 2019, Netanyahu became the first sitting Israeli PM indicted on bribery, fraud, and breach of trust, cases 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, involving gifts, media deals. His trial, delayed by COVID and wars, remains ongoing as of 2026. He denies wrongdoing and has sought pardons. He relinquished some portfolios but kept the premiership. Controversies include judicial overhaul 2023, seen by critics as an attempt to evade trial. Settlement expansion, deemed illegal internationally. Personal life. Netanyahu has been married 3 times. Miriam Mickey Wiseman, 1972 to 1978. 1 daughter, Noah, 1978. Fleur Cates, 1981 to 1988. British-born, converted to Judaism. No children. Sarah Benartzi, 1991 to present. Psychologist and former flight attendant. 2 sons, Yair, 1991, and Avner, 1994. The marriage survived public affair scandals, e.g. 1993 confession.
Public image and legacy. Fluent in English with an American accent, Netanyahu excels at media and diplomacy. Nicknamed Bibi, he is seen as pragmatic yet ideological, resilient amid scandals and wars. At 76 in 2026, he remains a dominant, divisive force in Israeli politics, shaping the nation's security doctrine amid ongoing regional conflicts. As of March 2, 2026, amid intensified U.S.-Israel strikes on Iran, Netanyahu continues as prime minister, vowing escalation until the existential threat is removed, while addressing domestic losses from retaliatory attacks. His career spans over 3 decades at the center of Israeli and global affairs.